Our viewer question today is from someone who wants to know if anyone can make appointments as patients with you via telehealth.
Absolutely. Thank you for that question. I would be more than happy to see people through our plantbasedtelehealth.com website. Anyone who goes there can make an appointment. If you live in one of the states, the 4 states where I have medical licenses, California, Hawaii, Florida, or New York, I'll certainly be glad to work with you. If you live outside of one of those states, then you'll see Dr. Lori Marbus or Dr. Chris Miller. They are plant-based clinicians who are just excellent. We all do plant-based medicine, and we can order lab tests. We can prescribe medication. Absolutely. We'd love to see you. If you live outside of the United States, I can see you no matter what country you live in. So if you are in Canada or Mexico or India or Israel, absolutely, you can make an appointment as well. So go to plantbasedtelehealth.com, plantbasedtelehealth.com. Annie will put the website on our posting here. And I would love to see you, and you'll find the prices very reasonable for a consultation. So absolutely go to plantbasedtelehealth.com and make an appointment, and we'll help you any way we can. So glad we were able to get that information out. Plantbasedtelehealth.com. Thanks for asking about that.
Yes, absolutely. And yes, thank you for asking, because that gets the word out, I'm sure, to a lot of people that might not have even known that was a possibility. So that's wonderful. I will put the link along with this post. And thank you everyone for watching. And thank you, Dr. Klaper, as always, for joining us and sharing your wisdom.
Thank you, Annie. Thanks, everyone. See you next time. Hi, everyone. Dr. Michael Klaper here, announcing our new format for our Q&A with Dr. K. Each day, Annie Hagen will be asking me one question that's been sent in by our viewers. So if you want to see if your question is getting answered, do join us for our daily Q&A with Dr. K right here. Hope to see you then.